It's Sunny Beach Life. We're going to show you what it's like shopping in Sunny Beach. So we get down to our friend who does the football shirts first. It's a birthday, so we buy some cake. We then get some embroidery and some new hats done. We'll show you some fantastic luxury perfume and some amazing handbags for the ladies. And I even go and buy a shirt. And Aberdeen from Sunny Beach. It's the 20th of May, and as most of my subscribers know, it's somebody's birthday today, a special person.
So we've been and bought a cake because you can get. There's a lovely party shop, cake shop here in Sunny Beach.
Yeah, if you've got a special occasion, you can get a fantastic cake, balloons, everything from this fantastic little shop. So anyway, we're going to go drive up here behind the Barcelo. We'll be there in a minute.
Come and join us then. Let's see who the happy birthday boy is today. You ready? Oh. Oh. Wait till he comes back out. Nicky! Oh. Oh.
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Great
Happy
surprise.
birthday, dear Nicky.
How are you?
To you. Fine, thank you, fine. Champagne. Well, it's not quite champagne, but
Yes, it looks like.
what about your friend?
Thank you very much.
It's not quite a bottle of bubbly, but it's near enough.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you very
Cheers.
much.
The
Cheers.
Snappy. Cheers to Nicky's birthday.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Cheers, all the best.
Hello again. Once again.
Another
It's my
year.
birthday. Once again, you're in my shop again. You're welcome. Would like to say to everybody that is more than welcome this summer. We're gonna do a lot of new stuff. We're gonna have the Formula 1 stuff, rugby, GA for the Irish guys. So a lot of retro designs for kids, for adults. They can feel free. Come and check, no hassle. Price is still the same like last year. We try to be as gentle as possible. And I hope everybody had a great holiday and summer and enjoy Sunny Beach.
Oh, thank you, Nicky. Let's have a
You're
look what we got. What we
Please,
got.
yeah, we got a lot of things not ready yet. Everything is still not put everything in because it's early days. But as you see, we got a lot of basketball. We got a lot of football, different varieties.
So it's still
Trophies we still got.
so the
Prices
adults
are still the same like 2 years ago.
35 leather.
Yep.
For what? What's
For
35
the,
leather?
for the shirt and for the
Oh.
set also. That's for the new models.
Oh,
We're
right.
gonna have a lot of sales this year on the older models. So if anybody look for something like a deal,
Yeah.
can ask and we're gonna sort them. No
Oh,
problem.
right. Come to Nicky's. You always get a good deal at Nicky's.
You're
And
welcome.
good quality as
Best
well.
quality.
Yeah,
This is the most important, not just the price, but what you get for your money.
yeah, that's true.
But I must say that this cake, when you come, will be gone. There won't be any, or
I'll
Prosecco.
put some weight on, I need to lose weight. It's
Let's-
summer now, so.
Let's take a photo.
Yeah, no, not photo, but I will cut it now so you can have a bite of it as well.
Oh, I've got.
Of course.
Hello, do you work here for Nicky?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
you work for Nicky. What's your name?
Ivan.
Ivan. Oh, it's a lovely shop.
And so this amazing cake shop is situated on this road. It's not far from central Sunny Beach. At the top of the road there is the aqua park. We come down, there's the cake shop coming up. Whoa, there it is. A fantastic little shop. And the road leads down to some traffic lights and the Perla Hotel, and there's an Aldo supermarket there. Easy to find. And the cakes do look absolutely amazing. They've got so many designs. Oh, so many cakes.
I don't need that, that I mean stash. I just changed zip codes for the weekend. I don't need that, that I mean stash. I just changed zip.
Hello, Emil.
Hello.
Oh, nice to see you again this year. And nice to see you.
Nice to see you both,
Yeah?
guys.
I need a new hat.
New hat.
Maybe a different colour.
Yeah, maybe we should go for this one.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Nice
Yeah,
color, yeah.
yeah, that's quite nice. Oh,
What color should we make the?
what
That's
did
your
yeah?
size.
That's my size. Yeah, yeah. We should do the same again,
Same.
like this.
Green.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
All clear.
Oh, that's good. So if you want a hat, anybody, or even bibs or baseball caps, come and see Emil.
And if you really want to, Emil does my hat, the famous green hat as well. This is where it comes from.
Right, we'll see you in a little while. And next to Emil, the hat man, you've got Krassy here, who's doing this lovely jewellery. He's busy working on a bit now, look. So, what can you do, Krassy? What can you make?
We make names, necklaces, bracelets, key rings with names.
Oh,
And we write names on a piece of rice.
a piece of rice.
Name on a rice corn.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? You can get your name on a piece of rice. I don't think my eyes are quite good enough to look at that. Oh, that's lovely. So if you want a hat, come to Emil, then come next door and get a piece of jewellery. Oh, thank you, Krassy.
Thank you.
Nice to, hope you have a nice season.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We make for 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, all right. That's so clever. Hello, Gally. Oh, so you do henna tattoo?
Yes,
Oh, right. And you have many designs?
yes.
Oh, right. Very
And
nice.
We work with natural products safe for the skin, made
Oh.
from fruits,
Yes.
safe for the skin.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So if you come to get your name on a piece of rice, get your hat from Emil, and then see Gally, and you can have a safe henna tattoo.
Yes.
Well, that's great. You don't need to go anywhere else. Thank you, Gally. That's lovely. Oh,
It depends.
yeah. How long does this take?
Real stay 1 week to 10 days.
No, how long did it take you to do?
I mean, it depends of
How
how big.
big?
Yeah, is it difficult to make or
10
no?
minutes.
10 minutes, 10,
15
15.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, very nice.
If you want tattoo.
No. Oh, and the thing about the henna tattoos here is it's 100% natural, very safe. Oh, that's lovely. So come here for your henna tattoo. And this is Kiko's new stall. He's doing perfumes this year. And the aroma, the scent, it's not an aroma, is it? Is it an aroma? The scent is amazing.
Hello people, I'm the Kiko. This is my big friend. He's here. He come to Sunny Beach, please. And buy perfume and me because this is here. It's original. It's very nice Arabian style and perfume. This moment is Eclair. Only is beautiful perfume in the world, people. This here, see,
Oh,
it's perfect.
that's
Eclair.
nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it's very nice. This is
Oh,
for
that's
Roman
lovely.
style. This is for Roman style.
Oh,
I have
wow.
so many here for Roman and have for my style. It's good Arabian perfume. People, you come here in the Sunny Beach, you come to me. I am Kiko. Nice to meet you people. This is my beautiful lady, his friend in the England. England people, everyone people is coming to me. This is lady, is your gift this moment.
yeah.
Yes?
So come and see Kiko if you want some really nice perfume. Oh, I can guarantee that smells lovely. It really
I can
does.
smell
That's
that from the
divine.
camera.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. Oh,
It's
oh.
perfect, yeah?
Yeah,
I
it's
know.
perfect. I'd just buy some just for the bottles. They're lovely, aren't they? They're beautiful.
Everything is beautiful here. This is see this Arabian style again.
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
very nice.
Maybe you could do your Christmas shopping while you're here.
Yeah, see. Yeah.
Oh,
This is his.
Oh, that's
very-
nice.
This is smell Saint Cloud and the Dubai people.
Oh.
Saint Cloud and the Dubai. Yeah. This is again for woman. I'm here for man. Here, Peter Peach. See, cloning to Peter Peach again. Arabian style.
Just peach.
So
Oh.
so nice. Just a second. See,
oh, oh,
perfect. Yeah.
oh,
Very
wow.
nice.
Oh, that's amazing. These scents are amazing.
Only
wow.
in the Sunny Beach.
Yeah.
Here, and this shop has very beautiful Arabian style. Here, everything for your people.
Oh, the bottles, just the bottles are lovely, everybody. So say, come here and do your Christmas shopping. Oh, wow.
On the other hand, it may be good not to have your wife with you because you're going to buy 6 or 7. Just buy one as a present. Otherwise, it could be expensive.
But look,
Don't let the lady in here.
look at this one for a man. Isn't that a pretty bottle? That's really nice. Oh, wow. Oh, it's amazing.
And the thing with this stall is it's very easy to find because we're actually virtually opposite the Grand Hotel. So if you're staying at the Grand, just walk out the gates, turn left, and there we are. It's fantastic. Kiko's perfume stall. Try a little bit of Dubai while you're here. It's really great on a day like this. So many old friends are just appearing in Sunny Beach.
Well, now we've got to just outside the palace and there's this beautiful bag shop. So we're going to have a look and see how nice they are. The display does look stunning. Oh, and this is nice, isn't it? If you're going on a glittery night out. Oh, that's absolutely stunning. Prada, very nice. What else have we got? Oh, that's nice. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, look at the different colours. Guess, you're spoilt for choice. Oh. Oh, and a lovely, the new design, the bucket bag. They're stunning, they are. Oh, they're lovely. Here's an example of a nice bag. Louis Vuitton 50 leather. So you're only talking about £20. That's really pretty, isn't it? Oh, that's lovely. If you like a big handbag so you can get lots of stuff in it. There, 50 leather. That's so pretty. That's lovely. And wow, you are spoilt for choice in this shop. This one, a MK, this is really pretty and stylish, just with that little bow. Oh, it's a great shop. Oh, you'll be spoilt for choice. You'll be going home with more than one handbag, I'm sure. Come to the shop, bag shop opposite the palace.
Don't need no diamonds to feel beautiful. Don't need no glitter, glitter. I don't need an island to call my own. No gold or silver, silver.
Oh well, we're just opposite Ginger's, which isn't open. I've just been a stall here. Got some fantastic shirts. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. 35 leather. Great colour in it. Think I'll stand out on the beach wearing this.
Yeah, you won't blend into the sand anymore.
Yes, even though I'm doing a bit of shopping today, which is quite unusual in the stalls. Normally I tend to stick to the mall, but there's some great stuff today. So come along with you on holiday, have a browse along the front here. Oh, one of the things about Sunny Beach is there are hundreds and hundreds of stalls to browse. There's so many designer items, if they are real designer, but amazingly enough, you can get some real quality things here. I've just bought a brilliant shirt there for 35 leather. Susan nearly bought a handbag. She nearly bought 2 or 3 lots of perfume. So it is interesting going out, but remember, just control your spending and don't do it all on the first day. Spread it out a little. And as you can see, we've got really good temperatures, even though the time is pressing on. We've been out all afternoon on our shopping spree. And if you're enjoying the video, Natisni Butona, hit the like button. Helps us spread the video.
Here we are now back at Emil's embroidery stall to pick up my new hat. Doesn't that look nice? It does come out nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're very professional, very
Almost
good.
perfect.
It is perfect, almost. Let's put it on and see.
I'm the best.
You are the best. What's that look like? Yeah?
Oh.
New season
Fantastic.
this year. So if you want to do that, everybody, come and see Emil.
Yeah, I know.
Just up from the June Hotel here along the front. Can't miss him. Lovely guy.
Here's your new 2026 hat.
When it starts.
When it starts next year. Oh, that's great.
Thank you, Emil.
Thank you, Emil. That's super. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Katia. Katia?
Gotcha.
Ah, yes, yes. Thank you, Katia. Good luck for the season. We shall
Thank
see you
you.
again.
Thank you very much.
And even though it's our shopping video today, we're going to finish with the beach, which Sunny Beach is all about the beach, obviously. And behind us they're putting out the sun loungers. How about that? It's warming up. There's going to be people laying out there getting a suntan very shortly. Maybe it's going to be you this summer.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's beautiful here on this beach. So forget the shopping. Let's just go lay on the beach.
Yeah, so it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao ciao everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
As we live up the road, we're continually in and out the resort. You may even see us when you're on here walking about with my camera. There you go, so please subscribe. Don't miss anything that's going to happen in the resort in 2025.